Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Shruti, consultant rheumatologist, Moolchand Hospital, Delhi and Park Group of Hospitals, Gurgaon. Today I'll be talking about a rare disease जो शायद आपने अपने आसपास ना भी सुनी हो या किसी को ना देखा हो. So that is known as systemic sclerosis. अगर आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी उंगलियों का रंग बदल रहा है, they are tapering down, पतली हो रही है, आपके स्किन का रंग डार्क हो रहा है. Earlier you used to be really fair and now it has come like 5 tones down. Then and you feel that there is a skin tightening. आपको wrinkles हैं and then they are being disappeared. And you have difficulty opening your mouth, opening your eyes, your nose gets peaked, then it's a sign of systemic sclerosis. ये disease बहुत ही underdiagnosed है and people are unable to identify that. Even doctors, they miss it. So अगर ऐसा कोई भी feature आपको महसूस होता है, then please see a doctor at the earliest. अगर आप इससे diagnose हो जाते हैं, and if you read about it, most of the people and the patients they come who have already been diagnosed, or even when I diagnose them, they feel very disheartened when they read about it. Okay, now nothing can happen. No, it's not like that. Systemic sclerosis is treated according to the organ involvement. Systemic sclerosis इसकी starting के पहले 4 महीने में सबसे ज्यादा active होती है, right? After that 4 साल में सबसे ज्यादा एक्टिव होती है, उसके बाद इसका इफेक्ट थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होता जाता है. सो अर्ली ट्रीटमेंट, अर्ली इंटरवेंशंस आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इसके अंदर मेन 4 इन्वॉल्वमेंट जो हम देखते हैं उनमें एक स्किन होता है, देयर इज टाइटनिंग ऑफ स्किन, हार्ट, आपके जो हार्ट प्रेशर्स हैं वो बढ़ सकते हैं, लंग, आपको सांस लेने में डिफिकल्टी रह सकती है, एंड आर्थराइटिस विल हैपन. So according to the involvement, suppose you only have skin involvement, then we do not have to give you on a very strong drug or a major therapy. But yes, if your lung is involved, then we need to save the lung. So accordingly, how much organ is involved, what are the factors you have, what is your age, this disease is treated. There are many options. So first we can use hydroxychloroquine, methotrexate. These are all DMARDs for the arthritis and skin part. The other thing is when it comes to lung, then we use mycophenolate. There's a very recent drug that has been approved by FDA, which has very very wonderful effects in stopping the progression of interstitial lung disease. आपके lungs को जो इसके साथ खराब हो सकते हैं उसमें बचाने के लिए this injection has given super good results. The other important thing is that अगर आपका हार्ट इन्वॉल्व है तो आपके डॉक्टर आपके हार्ट के प्रेशर्स चेक करके उन्हें कम करने के लिए प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन एनालॉग्स या फिर एंडोथिलिन रिसेप्टर एंटागोनिस्ट, ये सब कुछ एजेंट्स होते हैं जो कि दिए जाते हैं जिससे वो हार्ट के प्रेशर को कम किया जाता है. अगर आपको खाने में डिफिकल्टी है with systemic sclerosis, you are like not able to eat properly because of the tightening of the food canals. So उसमें आपको कुछ ऐसे प्रोकाइनेटिक एजेंट्स दिए जाते हैं जो इसको ईज आउट कर सकें. एंड देन अगेन कमिंग बैक टू द लंग, एंटीफाइब्रोटिक थेरेपीज जो कि इसके फाइब्रोसिस को रोकती हैं और लंग डैमेज को रोकती हैं, ये सभी की सभी अवेलेबल हैं. ऑल दीज ट्रीटमेंट्स आर अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. एंड whenever you are diagnosed with a rare disease, please do seek a consultation with the specialist. All these diseases are treatable, controllable, and your quality of life will improve multifold with them. Do not give up on the disease that okay, I have been diagnosed and nothing is going to happen. Do not read Google about it or just dismiss your case that no, okay, fine, now nothing is going to happen. Every rheumatological disorder is treatable, is controllable, and you can have an absolutely normal life with it. The only thing is you have to take a step forward to go visit the doctor and discuss the options. I hope this video provides you the information that is required to bring you to the doctor's step. And अगर आपके neighborhood में, ऑफिस में, फैमिली में किसी को ऐसी कोई हिस्ट्री रही है, then please take an effort. Please find out the nearest rheumatologist and do come and make the patient also take the consultation. Thank you so much.